Hello my dear students, once again welcome back to my channel. Continuing our problem solving series in polynomial. Here I came up with two more questions written on the screen. 45th and 46th question. Find an integer x that satisfies the equation x power 5 minus 101 x cube minus 999 x square plus 10 lakh 1 lakh 900 is equal to 0. Okay. So to solve this question, I will be going to factorize the quintic polynomial written over here, that is x power 5 minus 101 x power 3 minus 999 x square plus 100,900, that is 1,900,000 is equal to 0. So guys, what can I get as a common factor over here? X cube can come out as common. Okay, so x square minus 101 will be remaining. Now what can I get as a common over here? I may get minus 999 as a common over here. Okay, so x square minus what will be remaining? Let's see if 101 is only coming or not. So minus 101 I will write. Now let's multiply and check whether we are getting this 1,900,000 or not. So 999 multiplied by 101 will be going to do 999 will be coming for first time, then double zeros will be coming, then again 999 will be written over here like this. So 9, 9, 18, 10, 10, it will be what? 1,899. That is 1 less than 1,900,000 written over here. So I would have to add 1 over here is equal to 0. Hope you guys would have got my point. Now what can I get as a common factor over here? This thing can be achieved by me as a common factor over here. So we'll be going to write it like x square minus 101 multiplied by x cube minus 999 plus 1 is equal to 0. So guys, if it is plus 1, here I should get minus 1, because minus 1 plus 1 will make what? 0. So if I have to achieve minus 1 over here, what should I write? 10 square will be becoming 100. 100 minus 101 will give me minus 1, and 10 cube will be becoming 1000. 1000 minus 999 will give me plus 1. Plus 1 multiplied by minus 1 will give me minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 will give me 0. That means x is equal to 10 is the solution of this equation. Hope you guys would have got my point. No other solutions for this equation would be existing. The only solution for this equation is what? X is equal to 10. Now let's move on to the next question. So what is the problem statement of next question given to us? Let x and y be the real numbers such that x square plus y square is equal to 2x minus 2y plus 2. What is the largest possible value of x square plus y square minus root 32 they are asking. So I'll be going to complete the whole square. X square minus 2x plus y square plus 2y plus 1 will be done by me over here, and plus 1 will be done by us over here. That will be becoming 4. That means what? X minus 1 the whole square plus y plus 1 the whole square is equal to 2 square it will be. So guys, I got the equation of circle whose center is at point 1 comma minus 1 and radius is equal to 2. Can you see? Center of circle is at point 1 comma minus 1 and radius of circle is 2. So how it will be drawn by us? In the fourth quadrant the center will be plotted. Okay, because the y coordinate of center is negative and the x coordinate of center is positive. So how it will be plotted by us? This is the point 1 comma minus 1. Okay, this is the center of circle, and since radius is 2, 2 above it will go, 2 on the left side it will go, 2 on the right side it will come, and 2 below it will go. And let's make a circle making use of this all points I took. So like this a circle will be drawn by us. Now guys, we want the maximum value of this. Okay, maximum value of what? X square plus y square minus root 32. That means the point x comma y is lying on a circle with center 1 comma minus 1 and radius 2. When it will be maximum? Guys, the distance from origin they are asking me to compute. Do you know one thing? Root over x square plus y square is the distance of point lying on a circle from origin it will be, and for it to be maximum, point should symmetrically lie upon line, this line passing through 0 comma 0 and 1 comma minus 1, and should lie upon circle. So it will be drawn by me like this. Hope you guys would have got my point. Now guys, this point we have to draw, means we have to get the coordinate of this point. What is the coordinate of this point? So for getting the coordinate of this point, we know this thing, this much is 1, again this much is 1, then this much is what? The radius of circle, that is 2 we are knowing. So let us suppose this is the perpendicular dropped on the, from the here this point we are dropping a perpendicular upon x-axis. This is the perpendicular dropped by us upon x-axis, and this is the perpendicular dropped by us upon y-axis. So this much will be becoming what? Let us suppose this is the x value of coordinate, will be over here x value of coordinate, and this is the y value of coordinate. And one most important thing, x value of coordinate will become equal to y value of coordinate, because line is inclined at 45 degree. So if it is 45 degree, it is 90 degree, it will be also 45 degree. Then most important thing after that is what? The value of hypotenuse of this right angle triangle is what? Root 2 is this much we are knowing by Pythagoras theorem, 2 plus root 2. That means what? If it is a and it is also a, so root 2a is equal to 2 plus root 2. So a will be becoming what? Root 2 plus 1. Hope you guys would have got my point. So the y value of coordinate will become what? Root 2 plus 1, but with which type of signature? With negative sign. And the x value of the coordinate will be what? Root 2 plus 1, but with which signature? Positive sign. So the x value of coordinate will be 1 plus root 2, and the y value of coordinate will be minus 1 minus root 2. Hope you guys would have got my point. Now making use of this thing, I would be going to draw the value of x square plus y square minus root 32. X square plus y square minus root 32. So that will be becoming what? 1 plus root 2 the whole square plus minus 1 minus root 2 the whole square minus of root 32. And then we'll be going to get what? A square plus b square is written over here for 2 times. Okay. So 2 times of 1 plus root 2 the whole square we have finally, plus minus of root 2. Minus of root 2 means what? Root 16 multiplied by root 2. Root 16 means what? 4 root 2. And this will be generating 1 plus 2 plus 2 root 2 minus 4 root 2. That means 6 plus 4 root 2 minus 4 root 2. So the maximum value of that thing will be becoming 6 over here. 6 will be becoming the final answer for this question. Hope you guys would have understood it, would have enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, my dear students.